Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new stitch tutorial. Okay, I started a hat. I will pin the hat that I usually crochet. It is one of my bucket hats, and I have one here. And that's what I am making, but in a different stitch. So I wanted to share you this stitch. It's super easy, but it does go slow. Yeah, I had to put it aside. So what you do is, okay, there's one chain between. I'm not going to show you the beginning because it's the same stitch, same pattern that I use. Okay, there's 10 half double crochets here, and then we start the next stitch, which is 2 2 2, and then I have a diagram. I have one of these, and I have one of these that I've been crocheting for, I don't know, so many years. Oh, it's over a decade. Okay, so what you do is, after this, I did my increases, so I'm just I did, like, this is the crown area, so I'm just doing one stitch at a time. Okay, and what we do is, let me just count just to be on the same side. So this is the beginning of the row. 7, 2, 4, yeah. I did my increases. I even did extras because this kind of tightens the hat. As you can see, you can't see any holes. The fabric is thick. And I'm using a big crochet hook, which is a 5.5. So what I'm going to do is you come here, and normally what we do is we pull it like this, right? But we don't do that, so we don't do that. What we do is we come from here, and then we pull it from here, okay? And it gives this line. Can you see? It gives you this line. That's what we're aiming for. And then you chain one, and then you go to the next chain right here, and then we repeat this. Okay? We don't pull it like this. We remove the hook, and we come here. Try not to twist that stitch. And then we pull it like this. See, we create this line. That's what we're aiming for. And then you continue crocheting like this. Like I said, it's super easy. It does not go fast because what you do is you need to take this off and then hold it. So don't try not to twist your stitch. If you twist it, it won't create that line that I just showed you. Okay, and okay, and what I do is I pull it like this. Okay, and then we create this line. Let me see if I can show you here. See, I twisted it, and it's not showing me it's showing me the V. It's not showing me the line. So we need this line. Okay, the more you crochet, the more you will get the hang of it. See, I did it. It happens like here. I can see it. See the V. We don't want the V. We want these lines to create those lines. And then what you do is you come here, and then you hold it like this. This is the best way. I figured it out. And then you come from here. It's a little bit tough. And then you grab that stitch. Okay. And then what you do is you pull it like this. It's like doing camel toe stitch. You go backwards. It is a little bit tricky, but we want this line on that stitch, and we don't want it like laying it like that. So try not to twist it. Okay, and there's supposed to be one chain here in between. Let me just go. Hold it like that. And then pull it. or you can do it like this. See? We create this stitch. These are mostly done on bags, but I did see this on Alize Yarns tutorials. They are doing it on hats, and it looked fantastic on the Alize. It's the brand name of the yarn that's made in Turkey, and I never had a chance to do it. I think they released it at least 5-6 years ago. But I can't. I just kept on postponing. So I started. I'm going to use the entire ball of 100-gram yarn here, which I bought this from Dollarama. They don't have it anymore, unfortunately. If you find it, grab it. They had different colors. I grabbed this color and another green that I did woven scarf. Here we go. So I'm going to do it one more time. And then you just pull it like a single crochet and you hold it like this. Yeah, try to hold it. And then what you do is you put your crochet hook. This is a little bit of time consuming, like I said. I don't want to say you're going to be wasting your time, but the end result, look at it. And what you do is you pull it. Okay. And then we create these lines here. Okay, and I'm sure the more you crochet this stitch, go on to the chain, because we do one chain, the faster you will become. So here is another way. You can aim it like this. It's a little bit tough. That's why it's easy to poke it like this. And then you kind of twist it when you're pulling it. Yeah. And then you create this line. Okay, just wanted to show you this stitch. And it gives this line. Yeah. The yarn will definitely show different. This one has short color. If you have longer, I'm sure it's going to show different as a design. But it looks like it's puzzly. It's interesting. So I just wanted to do this hat. I haven't finished it. When I finish it, because I'm trying to finish a sweater, and before the podcast, and I just want to finish this and try to look at the chain. Yeah, there's supposed to be a chain here. It's hidden there. So try to go into those chains as to make like a single crochet and pull it a little bit high. Instead of pulling like this, you put your crochet on this way from left to right. If you're a left crocheter, of course it's going to be different. And then you pull it like this. See? And then you continue. And then you kind of twist it when you're pulling it. Turning. See, this became a V. This is not good. See, this one's a, well, that's not exactly a V, but this is a, yeah, this is a V as well. So let me fix that one more time. So we don't want a V. We want it. Let me do it this way. I think I twisted it. That's why it happened. So try to pull it like this. See, now it's not sitting this way. It's slanting towards my left. So continue. Hold it like this and try not to twist it. Yeah, see, when I'm twisting it. Well, it's working. Try to pull this a little bit high. And then pull. See? That's what we're aiming for. So I hope you like this short stitch tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video, you will be updated, notified, indicating that I just post a new video. Yeah. Just love it, love it, love it. Yeah, doesn't this look nice? Just love it. Happy crocheting. Bye-bye.